Alright, this is the elevator at an apartment building in Pittsburgh, North Oakland. There's a manual freight service elevator right next to it. This, I imagine, was a Westinghouse that was modernized with monitor. Here we go down. This is a very rickety elevator. Doesn't run the best, unfortunately. This is elevator 1. I'm kind of surprised about that. 2,000 pound capacity. Not sure what model button this is. All I know is their monitor. Perfect condition right there. That almost looks like it's lit up a little. But I don't think it is. Phone on the panel, there's your key switches, certificates in the management office. And here we are back at 8. This shares the shaft with the service. You can see there's a pit light on, and the service is parked on L, excuse me. Anyway, there it goes. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.